Happy Friday, Jordan Trask here. Stop scrolling for a minute because I want to take a quick second to explain something that can be super advantageous for your business, but not a lot of people fully understand what it is. It's your brand book. So what is a brand book or a style guide? Well, essentially this is an index that you can reference at any point in time that itemizes your guidelines, standards, design elements, messaging, voice, purpose, rhyme, reason, characteristics, who you want to align yourself with as far as talking heads, what those characters look like, everything that has to do with strategy. It's in one book. So let me give you a couple examples of where this could become valuable in your business and help you save money, establish cohesion, avoid conflict or confusion, and work with certainty. When you think about it, every single time that you create a promotion or design something or add something to your website or establish a new campaign, you're moving through another discovery process. You're finding out what value propositions or competencies can align with that specific campaign. But what if you already had all that stuff solidified? Not only are you saving time, money, and that conflict, that back and forth of making decisions if you're a part of a team, but you're also avoiding that expense and that time that you're investing in some sort of marketer to develop that promotion for you. What so many business owners don't realize or even think about is explaining their value or their business itself to a contractor or new hire that they bring on to help them. One of the biggest headaches is designers not thoroughly understanding or even being able to comprehend your vision and values. Oftentimes this causes them to bucket you based on industry standards or commonalities within your marketplace to communicate a message or to execute the strategy. This leaves a lot of opportunity on the table, and most importantly, it doesn't differentiate you from your audience. If you're taking the time on the front end to spend that couple grand and establishing something with certainty, then you have no reason to second guess or spend a lot of time making big decisions or going back and forth. If you already have a reference point with expectations and design elements, strategic examples, and a foundation that's sensible, you're literally handing out an answer guide to the test. You're able to know exactly what you need, where it's going, how you're going to say it, and when it needs to be done by. You're just directing. If they don't follow the guide or they don't follow the standards, then you hire somebody else, right? The same can be said for website design elements, print flyers, or any type of media, really. If you're able to solidify these templates or these design elements on the front end, all these people are doing is plug and play. You could end up hiring contractors or having an internal employee do something that's really easy. They don't have to have these major technical skills of knowing how to piece something together. You could have a template that they could drag and drop a picture, drag and drop a text, move it around a little bit, but it's all cohesive. None of us want to spend a whole bunch of time hiring, firing, second guessing, discussing, brainstorming things. We want to continue to move once things have been solidified. And a brand book and a style guide puts everything on paper, the look and feel, the experience, the aura of your business with the standards and the values of your brand. It can also be used as a guide or a resource when it comes to partnerships, affiliations, and even charitable contributions. Any way that you can continue to build upon that, not just expand your reach, you're able to enhance the recognition of your brand and essentially increase the equity. Be purposeful with everything you do, guys, and always remember to pre-focus.